She pull up, hop out, then she swerve. Do your two-step, your little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
I pull up, hop out, then I swerve. Do my two-step, my little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
Do your dance, girl, dance, do your dance, girl, dance. Is it me and you, or is you with your friends, girl?
Hey guys, welcome back to Miss Shan's Shorty Recipes. Thanks again, you guys, for joining me for yet another quick and easy recipe. Today's recipe is going to be a nice little sweet twist on the classic cinnamon rolls. Instead of the regular cinnamon roll, though, we are going to make some fabulous cookies and cream cinnamon rolls. In this case, there are very few ingredients to make these delightful little cinnamon rolls. We only need a can of cinnamon rolls and some chocolate sandwich cookies. So in this case, we're going to bring all the flavors of your favorite Oreo cookie and mash that up with a cinnamon roll, and that might just be your new favorite go-to treat. So if you guys are ready for today's recipe, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Share this video out. Definitely appreciate that. And if you aren't subscribed, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button and the bell so you can be notified every time I drop a new video. So let's go ahead and get started.
I need to step back. Constantly online, causing me setbacks. Ooh. Every day see so many people doing the things you do, and they're doing it better too. Whoa. It's like, why should I even try when there's always some other guy who's way ahead of you, but makes it look easy? Why would they need me? Oh, I hear it now. I'm just being needy. I try not to envy you, to get angry you do it better than me. I try not to hate myself, to lose confidence, but you always do it better than me. I just wanna be loved like you. I just want 'em to see me too. Just wanna be the one they choose. Yeah, I just wanna be loved. That's really, really cool for you. Yeah, everything you do is cool. It's kind of unbelievable. It's also unachievable. Yeah, almost inconceivable. I'll never do it like you do. And I know I'll grow in a who's supposed to be. But self-doubt comes easy, and I've tried almost everything, but it just hasn't worked yet. I try not to envy you, to get angry you do it better than me. I try not to hate myself, to lose confidence, but you always do it better than me. I just wanna be loved like you. I just want 'em to see me too. Just wanna be the one they choose. Yeah, I just wanna be loved. Ooh, I hate comparison, cause it makes me feel lesser than striving for perfection, thinking somebody will see me then. No, don't get me wrong, really want everybody to succeed, but can we start with me? Like, why was it her and not me? Why was it her and not me? Wish someone could redesign me, to not have the style to find me. Why was it her and not me? Why was it her and not me? Envy is gonna blind me. Why was it her and not me? Better than me. Try not to hate myself.
Okay, so here are the Oreo cinnamon rolls, full of that cookies and cream flavor throughout the cinnamon roll, from the way that we unraveled it and put it back together so that every layer is full of that cookies and cream flavor. Hopefully you guys did enjoy today's recipe, especially if you do love cookies and cream. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Let me know if you do love cinnamon rolls. Share this video out. Definitely appreciate that. And if you aren't subscribed, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button and the bell so you can be notified of every time I drop a new video. You guys take care and thanks for watching. Bye, guys.
Rich Auntie Chloe B. I know my job is a blessing, but F you, hate me. Rocks on my wrist, fur on my feet, setting the table in all the chic, baby.